I am Foster Hackett, owner of Advanced Design Contracting. Was started in 2008. Got a little more money in the bankroll. I was able to buy this facility that I have here today out in Blaine, Minnesota, which has allowed my company to grow and enable us to do even more. Our foundation is definitely roofing, commercial roofing, high-end residential roofing, custom sheet metal fabrication. We've general contracted on several park and rec buildings for the cities of Minneapolis, St. Paul, and other various small buildings throughout the Twin Cities. We employ carpenters, sheet metal workers, and roofers, so we have a good variety of people to problem solve. Being a union contractor is a great advantage for me as a small business owner here in the Twin Cities. We're signatory with the Local 96, which is the roofers union. We're signatory with the Local 10, which is the sheet metal union. And we're signatory with the Local 322, which is the carpenters union. Having the ability to hire union labor has definitely helped my business. As a minority contractor, we have the DBE certifications, TBG certifications, the 8A, which is the federal certification. We have MBE and the SBE, which makes up the central cert for the Twin Cities area. By default, we will help the ESG rating for these larger companies if they use us for procurement. So service work it's a unique industry, part of the industry that we're in. It's really good to have me come out every spring and every fall for a small nominal fee to walk over the roof, present you with this is what needs to be done, and you catch it before it becomes a major problem. We had to put on brand new roofs, and the roof was only 5 to 7 years old because there was so much failure, and we had to go out there and fix it. And it wasn't due to the manufacturer. There was nothing wrong with the product. It was 100% the installer. A lot of your churches, a lot of your universities or historic buildings, they'll have that custom-made metal, and our shop has full capabilities of custom fabricating that metal for you. I'm definitely one of the younger individuals in my industry, using things like Google Earth, using satellites to measure, using the newer roofing equipment, the newer sheet metal equipment. But at the same time, we have a lot of the older equipment here that you still need to produce even today. So we have a good mix of that. Another thing that separates me from my competitors is I'm bilingual. That's a huge advantage to be able to go in there, talk to the people, talk to the individuals. It helps with safety factors, it helps with risk factors, even on the personal level. My warehouse is fully stocked. We have the ability to buy wholesale, to bring stuff in, to not have to wait. So when you hire us, we have the materials. We're able to finish the jobs in a timely manner with good craftsmanship and be down the road. Safety drives the industry. Any good business owner wants all their employees to go home at night with 10 fingers, 10 toes, and not fall off a roof. I have fond memories of going to the zoo and working there now is truly a blessing. I didn't grow up with a lot. My mother was an immigrant from Mexico, and we struggled. But it was always nice to go to the Como Zoo as a kid, where they didn't charge you money. You could bring your own food, have a picnic. So when I go there and I work on the certain projects within the zoo now, and I see the families, I see myself a lot of times. I enjoyed doing the Fort Snelling Upper Post project. It was by far the largest project we've done to date. It was about a $4 million job, roughly. Basically, everything that I've learned in my 5 years of sheet metal training was done on that one project. Sometimes people learn, and then they call us. Do we cost a little bit more? No, we don't. Because if you think it's expensive to hire me, hire an amateur. I'm Foster Hackett. I'm the owner and president of Advanced Design Contracting. I'm waiting to hear from you. I'm waiting for an opportunity to work on your building. I'm waiting to work for you. And I'm waiting for you to give me the opportunity to prove that my company can handle your business.